So we're gonna show you guys the right way to clean our hands. Tops and bottoms, in between, all around your hands, now they're clean, Okay, one more time so she can rinse her hands. Tops and bottoms, in between, all around your hands, now they're clean, And what's the last step?
Dry your hands.
Good job. Hi, Room 11. So today we're going to talk about why we're wearing this mask and what it's going to look like when we go back to school. So I'm showing you the mask to begin with because when we go back to school, we're going to try our very best and the hardest to keep our mask on at all times. You will see all teachers wearing a mask at all times. And so the reasons why we're wearing the mask is so that we don't spread any germs and we don't get anyone sick. We don't want to get anyone sick and we don't want to get sick either.
And because we don't want other people to spread out the germs.
Yeah, we don't want to get anyone's germs and we don't want to give our germs to anybody else. So this is how it's going to look when we go back to school. Almost everyone will be wearing a mask, so we won't spread any germs. But I can't wait to see you guys back in school. Bye.
Bye.